Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Razif Al-Hajj bin Maddaud from JIM1104D. My group member and I will show you the process of operating system installation using virtual machine based on the test given by Sir Muhammad Ismail bin Fahmi for our subject IMD222, Technical Support Services and Maintenance for Information Agencies. Part A. Preparing installation disk. I will show you how to prepare installation disk. Firstly, you must prepare a blank or an empty hard drive such as flash drive or an optical disk to store the operating system. After that, go to the website of Windows 10 ISO installation. You also can click the link provided in the description. Next, for this step, it is different from the others. Go to the option button on the right tab. Click More Tools and click Developer Tools. It will appear like this. And then go to Network Condition. On the user agent, click the button of Select Automatically. On this side, I recommended you choose BlackBerry BB10. Refresh this page and you can see it will changing. Now, select Edition. Select your product language in English or any language that you could understand. Click 32-bit download for 3.95 GB. It will automatically be downloading and may take some time.
A few moments later.
After the product has been downloaded, make sure you keep the product in your hard drive. That is all for part A for preparing installation disk. You also can use the method that you download it through the website without change the network condition, but you may run another setup to complete your file in ISO.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firas Birazmi from JIM1104D, and I am the second presenter that will show you how to install virtual machine in your laptop or PC. Okay, firstly, what you need to do is open your browser first or your Google, and then you type VirtualBox. Okay, and then on the top of your search, you will see this web and this link. Okay, just click it. After you click it, you will see the website, and after that you click downloads. Okay, as you can see, there were a different type of operating system that will support with this virtual box. If you are using Windows, you can just click this link and it will automatically download. If you are using OS or MacBook, you can choose the OS option. So for me, I am using Windows, so I will click this window. So as you can see, the VirtualBox is currently downloading. Okay, we will wait until it finishes to download. Okay, the file has the finished to download. So what you need to do next is just click this file, and we minimize the Google. We will wait until the preparing install come out. Okay, we will wait. Okay, as you can see, the VirtualBox is preparing to install. Okay, what we need to do is just click next, then next. So this is the option that you can have, such as you can create shortcut on your desktop, on here, your desktop, and you can create at the start menu entries like and here. Okay, just click next. Okay, just say yes and just click install. Okay, we will wait until it's come up the confirmation to give permission the Oracle to install. Okay, just like this. Okay, just click yes. Okay, we will wait until it finish to install. Okay. Okay, the installation has complete. So we will click finish and start the VM, the virtual machine to start. So we will wait. Okay, as you can see, the installation is complete, and now you can use the VirtualBox to install operating system. Okay, that's all for me. So the next presenter will show you how to install operating system by using VirtualBox. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Falisazi bin Muhammad Nizam. My matrix number is 2018411892, and I will be presenting on the installation of operating system. The software we need to download before the installation of the operating system. First is of course the VirtualBox. My team decided to use VirtualBox for the virtual machine. You can download it here through this link. Next, the software we need to download is the Plop Boot Manager. This is because the VirtualBox doesn't allow to boot from USB drive. So we need to use a third-party app or software to boot from USB drive. You can download it here through these links. We will proceed with the installation of the operating system, and this is the VirtualBox virtual machine that we're going to use for this installation. First, you need to click the new button, and you can name it whatever you want. In this case, I will name it Windows 10. Click next, and you can pick memory size, whatever you want, depending on your computer spec, and then click next. Okay, no problem. Create and click VirtualBox disk image. Next, and pick dynamically allocated, and then click next, and you're going to choose the size of your virtual hard disk. In this case, I'm going to choose just 20 gig right here. Then click create. Then you need to set up your virtual machine right here. Click settings, then click system. Okay, no problem. Then the next step, you need to click storage right here. You need to remove this empty attachment right here, and for this Windows 10 bit. Okay, no problem. And we need to add the IDE controller for the boot up, and we need to pick the ISO that you have downloaded. Yeah, you need to extract the file, the zip file. This is the ISO file. Okay, select and click choose. Alright, so click the Windows 10 VDI right here, and click this HDD thing right here, and choose create a virtual hard disk, and click this virtual hard disk right here that we choose, and click choose. Alright, and lastly click change to SATA port 1. And then you need to go to the USB. You need to click USB 1. It's no need for 3.2, and then you need to click the plus button right here, and you need to choose the USB drive that you want to boot to. In this case, I will choose SanDisk Cruiser Play, and then click OK, and we're good to go. We're just going to click the start button here. And then use the arrow key for up and down and choose the USB. Click enter. Then wait for it to load up. There we go. And then there is the installation part. The language to install, up to you. Click next. Click install now. Once again, wait for it to load up. And this activate Windows part, if you have the product key, and you can enter it here. In this case I don't have the product key, so I will skip. And operating system, Windows 10 Home. Next. This is the notices and license term. You need to accept it for, yes, you need to accept it. And we start with installation new one. Click install Windows only, and that's space, virtual space 20 gig right here. Click next, and once again wait for the system to load, and the system will boot after it finish install. Once again wait for it to load up. Alright, the installation of the operating system is complete. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Halim, and I will continue to the last step, which is setting operating system. As you can see, my desktop already has my computer, documents, control panel, and recycle bin icon. I already changed my wallpaper to UiTM logo. And for the next step, we will proceed to how to install device driver. The first step is you need to go to device manager, and this is the network icon. Wait a minute. Okay, we go to network adapters and select the Intel R Pro. Go to the driver, and this is the detail of the driver, and select update driver and search automatically. Search for the updated drivers on window. All we need to do is install, and it will take a moment, so I will be right back. It seems it's already done. All we need to do is restart. So we need to close this tab to restart. All I have to do is cancel it, close this tab, and then we will try restart it back. This will take a while, so I will be right back again. Okay, it's already done. All we need to do is log in back again, and then search for device manager. Open it. Go back to the network adapters and click at Intel R Pro and click update driver and search automatically. As you can see, the driver already installed, and click at the updated driver on Windows. So we are already up to date. That's all for device manager. That's all for how to install device drivers. Okay, next we go to how to do this partition. So this is what it looks like before we do the partition. And we go to computer management and select disk management. This is how it looks like. So we need to shrink volume, and I will put I will put 2048 MB on the disk. So this is what it looks like after we shrink. We do the partition. So we select A and next, and we click finish. So this is a new disk. We click open. This is the new disk, so it's empty, and I will rename it as data. This is the new look after we do this partition. So that's all for this partition. Okay, now I will show you how to set up your virtual memory. Go to the control panel, select system and security, and select system, and go to advanced system settings, and select for the settings for performance, and I will go for adjust for best performance, and I will go for use drop shadow, smooth edge, and show thumbnails, and go to advanced and change your virtual memory. Click the custom size, and I will go to the recommended MB, and I will choose what I want for the maximum size. It will take a while, I'm sorry. After I set the maximum size, click set and click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK, and all we have to do is just restart. Wait a minute. Sign in. And then go to control panel, click add system and security, go to system, and that's all how to set up your virtual memory. Okay, now I will show you how to create user and group account. So firstly, you go to control panel and go to user account, and then click manage another account, and then add new user in this PC without Microsoft account. Fill in the name, the security, password, and then the question just in case you forgot your password. After all this is set, and then we click next, and there you go, there is a new user account on this PC. Next we go to group account. Right click at the home, and then click run, and then there is no group account on this PC, so I download from internet, and then click it. So this is the groups and user account. Click at the group, and then click at plus, So fill in the group names, description, and the user you want to add on this group. So that's it, you have it. So you already have the user and group account. Okay, now I will show you how to share a folder. Firstly, you need to create a new folder. Next, go to properties, and then go to sharing and advanced setting. And next, you can add the user that you want to share this folder with. I will go for Razif, Iqbal, and Firas. Sorry, Faris is not available. And then you can edit the permission for each user, whether you want to full control, change, or read only. After the permission is done, click OK. And then go to security. This is if you want to select a user that can authorize this folder. So I will go for Razif, and then this is the permission, this is the share user, click OK. Go to customize and select general item. Go to general, and after all is done, you can click apply. So that's how to share a folder. Next, we go for how to run a task manager. Go to my computer and search for task manager. And then create a shortcut. So this is what it looks like on the task manager. The services, performance. Another way, you can go to home button, right click, and go to task manager. So the last step, I will show you several methods on how to run device manager. So firstly, simply go to Windows button and click at the device manager. And the second method, go to run and run a devmgmt.msc. So it will appear like this. And the last method, you go to Windows PowerShell and search for device manager.msc. So this is the final step on how to setting your operation system. That's all for me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, operating system played a big role in computer system because It provides all the resources to software, manage hardware, and implements all standard services for computer programs. It is also a user-friendly interface that user can understand quickly. It improves work efficiency and saves time by reducing the complexity. Obviously, operating system is very beneficial for us. That's all from us. Thank you.